Hi, good morning. Today I want to share with you how troubleshoot for motor grader. We receive complaint for this motor grader gear number 3, 4, and 8 for the forward is not working, and for the reverse number 3 and number 6. So how to troubleshoot easily and accurate to get the reason why this gear for the number 3, 4, and 8 for the forward, and for the reverse is number 3 and 6 is not shifting. So let's check together. Yeah, the important thing, so we should know the operation for the transmission system. So which clutch engage for every gear. For example, luckily on the control valve, transmission control valve here, transmission control valve, there is a plate here. So show us the clutch for the forward and for the reverse. So for the parking position, clutch number 5 and number 8 it will be engaged. So it should be, there is power there from the ECM, electronic control module for transmission chassis. So based on this chart, we know which one clutch is not working. So the complaint is clutch number 3, 4, and 8 is not shifting, and for the reverse, clutch number gear number 3 and 6. So from this chart we can know this clutch number 5 is not engaged. So from this chart we know what we should do. First, we can check from the input, is mean from gear shifter, so it's working properly or not. Second, we can check the current is going to the solenoid from the electronic control module ECM. Okay, and now we can start with start the engine and check the parameter, which parameter we need. So let's start the engine. Now we start the engine and we connect ET, electronic technician. So here there is one active code, but it's not related with the transmission shifting. So we can leave it this warning. So this is bulb is gone for the warning lamp. So no any active code related for transmission shifting problem. So now we can check now the status. So now gear is position is park. Parking position clutch number 5 and number 8 should be engaged, energized for the lubrication. So because for problem gear number 3, 4, and 8, and for the reverse gear number 3 and 6 is not shifting, and from the chart number 5 it should be not engaged. So Number 5, in parking position, it should be there is pressure, should be engaged. And number 8, so in this step we can check the pressure, there is pressure or not is there. So let's check the pressure clutch number 5 and number 8. Now we check clutch number 8. Clutch number 8, when neutral, should be coming pressure. Neutral or parking should be coming pressure. Number 5, number 8 clutch should be coming pressure. So this clutch number 8 is coming 380 psi. So it means clutch number 8 is okay. And we can confirm also from the power supply which coming from ECM to solenoid. So this color orange and white for clutch number 8, and we get here 21 volt. So clutch number 8 is okay. Now we check clutch number 5. Here showing 0 psi. And we check voltage to solenoid, clutch number 5 also 0. This wire color is brown. So you can check from the schematic and follow the schematic what's happening. Now we will try to shift to clutch number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8 and see. Number 1 is working. Then clutch number 2. Also working. Clutch number 3 is not working. So incoming active code, transmission output speed sensor 1 and 2 erratic intermittent because not detecting ground speed. Gear is shifting for the third gear, but output speed is 0. So that's why coming transmission output speed sensor 1 and 2 is displaying active code. Yeah, now we can check from schematic. Transmission solenoid clutch number 5 is number wire for power supply is 902 brown, and for the ground 922 brown. So we can check the continuity, how much resistance between pin number 1 and number 2 to chassis ECM. That solenoid number 5 going to chassis ECM, transmission ECM, is here showing is number 8, 902, pin number 8, and for the return ground is number 3. So we can check from here now. Number 3 and number 8. So here showing resistance of the solenoid coil is 31.8 ohm. So we can check also continuity from this pin number 3 for ground to number 2 to solenoid, and from pin number 8 to pin number 1 to solenoid. So this we check resistance to their continuity is 0.3 ohm, so wire no any problem. And we can also make sure with make separate wire from the solenoid direct to ECM. So but same issue for this machine. So it means this ECM controller is failure. So the decision for this ECM is failure. So that's why this gear number 3, 4 and 8 for the forward and gear number 3 and 6 for the reverse is not shifting. Okay, that's procedure for the troubleshooting for this machine. Gear number 3, 4, 8 for the forward and gear number 3 and 6 for the reverse is not shifting due to the solenoid number 5 is no power supply, no engagement and no pressure, zero pressure, because of chassis ECM failure internally for solenoid number 5. So I forget to tell you this 140K prefix is SZL, is model 2011. So that's from me for procedure troubleshooting, and please support us and subscribe this channel and press notification and like, comment, and I will be see you next update for Caterpillar product, and see you. Bye bye.